Hi, I'm Francesco at EcoTech Windows and Doors, and today we're going to introduce you to our casement window. We're going to start off by talking about our frame. The frame is the foundation of your window and a very integral part of it. We use a UPVC vinyl, which is a very high-grade quality product. In between our multi-chambered system, we have 23 chambers internally. We've increased the size by 20 to 30%, really helping improve the overall structural integrity and durability of our product, preventing things like bending, bloating, or warping. So as you can see, that's what it looks like on the exterior. Let me show you what it looks like on the interior of your home. As you can see, we've got one locking mechanism. Our handle and hardware sits very nice and neat in the nest. It doesn't protrude outwards. It won't interfere with any of your blinds or shutters. So I'm going to unlock and open up the window and highlight some of our internal features for you. As you can see here, all around the frame of the interior part of the window, we have a dual bulb compression seal. It creates a tight seal when the window is closed, really help preventing airflow from leaking. It helps you maintain your interior temperature, reducing your cost on your energy bills. It also does a great job of helping you reduce the exterior noise pollution, making your home a lot more comfortable and quiet. Our corner drive locking mechanism really secures the window at multiple points, making it harder for intruders to pry this window open. It also really helps with the overall structural integrity and durability of the window. It prevents issues like bending or bloating from happening. It also really helps with the weather resistance and insulation of our product. Next, I want to introduce you to our Super Spacer technology. It sits in between the panes of our glass. It's made from 100% polymer foam. It has no metals. It's an environmentally friendly product. It really does a great job reducing the exterior noise pollution, preventing mold and mildew, and it really helps reduce the condensation. Our EcoSmart glass with low E coating and argon gas offers a wide range of benefits and environmental advantages. It's really going to increase the energy efficiency of your home, increase your UV protection, reduce the exterior noise pollution, making your home much more comfortable and helping you save on your utility bills. We also have a 5-finger stainless steel jointed device for our sash. It really helps with the structural integrity and durability of our window. When the window is open, it puts a lot of stress and pressure on the frame. This hardware really helps reduce that stress, preventing issues such as bending, bloating, or warping. Our hand crank, when you open it from the nest, it has a lock, so it stays nice and firm in place. When you're ready to put it back in the nest, you just lift up and it folds right back in place. On all of our casement windows, we offer a dust and brush seal. This really helps prevent all those bugs from coming in the summer and any sort of dirt or debris from entering in your home or affecting the hardware of your window. All of our EcoTech windows have been lab tested and NAFS 22 certified. They're also Energy Star efficient and rated, helping you qualify for those government loans and rebate programs. And that's our EcoTech casement window. If you're looking to book your free home estimate, give us a call or go to ecotechwindows.ca. For quality and comfort you can trust and afford, you'll see the difference right away.